In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notification sound in Outlook. If you hear a sound every time a new email arrives and you want a quieter, less distracting inbox, Outlook makes it easy to change that setting. This is especially useful if you work in a busy environment, attend frequent meetings, or simply prefer to check your messages on your own schedule without constant audio alerts. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change in just a moment. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust the notification settings. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the Settings menu, and it's where you can customize many parts of your Outlook experience. Go ahead and click the gear icon. After the Settings panel opens, find and select General. This section contains broader account and interface preferences, including how notifications behave. Inside General, click Notifications. This is where Outlook lets you manage alerts related to incoming messages and other activity. Take a moment here to look for the email notification options, since that's the specific area we want to change. Next, click the arrow drop-down on Email. Expanding this section will show the available settings for email alerts. You should now see the option related to sound. To stop Outlook from playing a sound when new emails arrive, toggle off the sound setting. Once this is turned off, Outlook will no longer make that notification sound for incoming messages. After making the change, don't forget to click Save. This is important because if you leave the page without saving, your setting may not be applied. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the email notification sound in Outlook. If you still receive sound alerts afterward, give Outlook a quick refresh or close and reopen it to make sure the update takes effect. Also, keep in mind that this setting only changes the sound notification in Outlook. So if your device itself has separate notification settings enabled, those may need to be checked separately. Now your inbox can stay a little more peaceful while you continue working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.